Brooklyn, what did you steal off the counter? Brooklyn Day. What did you steal off the counter, monkey girl? Oh, Daddy, she's trying to give you another peel. Monkey girl stole a banana. Brooklyn, you hear the music? You gonna dance? You can't see the screen. I know that's what you want. You gonna dance?
No.
Nope. Can you say bubble?
Papa.
Can you say Debbie? Brooklyn. Brooklyn. No. Can you say bye?
Rabbit.
Bye.